I feel like my hair is giving absolute Hagrid vibes right now. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is Coachella day 2 actually. I thought I'd do a get ready with me today. I look so pale today. What is actually going on? I've got no tan on my face, so that definitely explains it. Let's get started and I can just catch you up on so many things and just tell you about everything so far, because obviously it's day 2. Let me see if I can clip this shut. Yeah, so I've already moisturised my face with my Nivea Soft Cream. So excited. I've currently got hair extensions in my hair because I'm working with a brand where I had to obviously put some in. So if you see any tracks, girl, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me about it. I'm seeing Ice Spice tonight at Coachella and my boyfriend's currently texting me Ice Spice lyrics. I am actually vlogging Coachella and like everything in between, so don't worry, you are not missing out on too much because obviously I'm vlogging. So I'm just going to go in with my Mario foundation. This is quite dark, but I need to instant tan my neck in a bit. I did actually shade match with a girl on TikTok and it didn't look like this, but whatever. I also do lighten up, so you may be thinking that is so orange and so dark, but don't worry. I do really like this Mario foundation, but I just want a better shade. So I think if I ever come across a Sephora, I'll 100% grab one because I do really like it. I don't like the smell of it. It does smell like paint. It actually reminds me, I used to have this foundation from the Body Shop literally years ago. If anyone else have Body Shop makeup, let me know. I'm not sure if the Body Shop is just in the UK or not, but oh yeah, also this H&B brush is the best ever. So good for like blending skin tints, foundation, everything. Like I like the Refi brush, but I find it a little bit too like brush strokey, if that makes any sense. I'm also going to use the Mario Skin Enhancer. I have no clue what I was saying. Currently day 2. I didn't film my get ready with me yesterday. I was going to, so I had like one each day, but I filmed a little one for TikTok. Plus we was kind of rushing a little bit yesterday. So I got to see Sabrina Carpenter, which if you know me, I sing her songs all the time. She's just so cute. She literally reminds me of a little Polly Pocket and I love her so much. I actually got a pretty good view where I could actually see her, which was, oh, itchy nose, really good. I'm doing my makeup so quick. This is the Maybelline concealer. I'm going to do a little bit of this Pink Honey actually. I got this recently, but because it's a bit paler. I don't normally put concealer everywhere else, but why not? But Sabrina was literally so good. The mic was very much on. And yeah, I was so happy I actually managed to see her. And as I said, I am vlogging, so you won't be missing out on any of this Coachella content. I've been so busy because obviously I'm here for work. So I've had so many ads to do and I've actually been on my Instagram, you know, grind this time around, because normally I don't post on Instagram. Like if you follow me, like I just never post on it. Like I'll post like on my stories. I'm active on my stories, but I'm just not active on like picture posting because there's nowhere in my area to get good pictures, so I kind of just don't bother. Yeah, it's annoying because I need to start getting into it because I have all these cute outfits and I just don't get content in them. I also tried this Nude Sticks Sun-Kissed Pink blusher the other day. I absolutely love this. I used this little Peaches and Cream dual-ended brush. It's really good. I keep putting on too much though because it is quite pigmented. Guys, I've been filming for 8 minutes and I've literally got my whole face on. I need to chill out. Can you see just that little flush it's given me? Obviously I can build it up, which I'm gonna do a little bit, not too much. It just looks so nice on the skin. Also, I haven't addressed the bedroom right now. It's an absolute state. Look, I'm a content creator, girl. I've got clothes everywhere. I've got hair on the bed. I've got a hair extension on the floor. I've got clothes everywhere, cowboy hats everywhere, cowboy boots everywhere. It's honestly such a mess. I would have tidied it, but I just didn't have time, okay? And you know what? It's just real, you know what I mean? Like, I just don't have time to tidy my room right now. Keep forgetting to contour my nose. So annoying. Coachella's been so good this time. Like last year, I was lucky enough to be invited here, but I didn't have as much of a good time. I just feel like, because obviously you guys know I have really bad anxiety, so I feel like I definitely let it get the better of me and stuff like that, and I wasn't quite comfortable with everyone here. Whereas this time I feel definitely more confident, and yeah, it's just been much better this time. So I'm glad I've had a good time and enjoying Coachella and stuff like that. So on the first day it was obviously Sabrina Carpenter, and then I think it was Lana Del Rey. We was meant to see her. Well, some of the girls did, because I'm here with some girls in my management. I don't know if I actually said that. So I'm struggling to see anything because I don't have an answer for that actually. I feel like I just can't see anything right now. I never powder my face, do I guys? But I'm just going to lightly. So yeah, we was meant to see Lana last night, but I just could not, for the life of me, stay awake. So a few of us went back to the car because we've actually got a driver, which is crazy and so lucky as well, because it just means if any of us are tired, we can just go back and sit in the car instead of being at the festival. I think it's nice to have the option, like if you're tired and stuff, because obviously the jet lag, like I haven't been here long enough to like adjust yet. Yeah, we went back to the car and I was so sad that I did, because obviously I wanted to see Lana, but I was like, if she brings out Billie Eilish again, I'll be so upset, because obviously I've missed it, but she didn't. So I was happy because I was going to be so upset, but I was just so tired. When we got back to the car, we all had like a little nap, but when the girls came back, I was still tired. But then the time I got here, I think I was like overtired, where I just got to the point where I'm like, I'm not even tired anymore, you know? Which is so weird. I'm just so excited to see Ice Spice today. I love her songs. My boyfriend and my dad find her so irritating, but whatever. I absolutely love her. I really like this MAC blush as well. This is the MAC Mineralized Blush in Warm Soul. It's quite a muted colour, but it comes out quite nice. I just think it's so nice. Like, I feel like I've spoken about it quite a lot. I've been on such a journey with makeup and like cosmetics and stuff. Like, as you would have seen, I've got no eyelashes now, and I never thought that I would, you know, go without them, because I've had them for so long, and I've come to like realise that I don't know if I do suit big lashes anymore, because now seeing myself without the big eyelashes, I'm like, I quite like that actually. Like, I've now got no mascara on, and I was taking pictures earlier with no mascara, which is crazy, because since having them off I've said like, oh yeah, I like it, but I only like it when I've got cold lashes and mascara. But now I'm like, I don't care, I like it how it is. And I used to do really like pink blush and very harsh, and like, I used to do full coverage and all this, but I just am liking no lashes, some freckles, a skin tint. Like right now I'm wearing more of a full coverage, but that's only because I'm going to Coachella. Like, I want to have a bit more coverage, but you can still see some like scarring. Starting to understand what I like, which is so nice, because I feel like we all copy what we see online and what everyone's doing, and we're like, oh wow, yeah, that looks good, but you get defeated when you try it on yourself and it doesn't look as good, because unfortunately not everything's going to suit us. And it is a shame because I love pink blush. I think it looks really, really lovely on people, but just not me. And I think that's okay. And I've really learned to just, you know, understand that it's not gonna look good on everyone. But yeah, so my whole point of that was to say that I have realised I do like blush, because for a bit I did stop blush completely, but I do like blush. I just like this type of tone, like slightly pinky, slightly peachy, warm, I don't know, with a bit of glow. I need to know if any of you guys have ever been to Coachella. I feel like that would be so interesting to know. Yeah, I'm so glad I came this year. And I was speaking to one of my managers, because obviously I've told them that I have anxiety, because obviously they need to know that, because if I was going to come on this trip, obviously last year, I'd need them to know and understand. And yeah, I was speaking to my manager and she was saying, like, you are so different to how you was last time. Like, she said last time she could tell I kind of was holding back a little bit. So it makes me glad that I did come last year, because it has really helped grow my confidence. Like, coming out here with complete strangers, like, I've never met these girls in my life, and they're all so lovely, and it's a good time. So I'm just grabbing my brow brush for me to actually like meet my managers and stuff properly, because I had met one of my managers before, but I hadn't met them both. I still use my eyelash cover, even though I don't obviously wear eyelashes anymore. So I need a wipe now, because let me just take you with me. Because I find if I curl my lashes and I've got any product on, whether that be like leftover eyelash serum, makeup, well, not makeup, but like, what am I trying to say? I don't know what I'm trying to say. I've actually just forgot. What have I just said? Leftover moisturiser or like setting spray, anything. Like anything in my eyelashes, it just ruins it. They won't curl. I use so many setting sprays, so I'm just going to wear some of the Urban Decay All Nicer as well. I don't like the smell of the Urban Decay, I don't know why. Don't like that. Yeah, as I was saying, like, I was having a proper conversation with one of my managers last night, and that obviously I've grown, and yeah, I was saying to her, like, it's nice to actually meet you guys, because if you don't understand like what a management is and why I've got a management, so obviously this is my job, like influencing if you want, and they just handle like all my emails and business, and like they're the ones that get me the money and like will contact the brands, and that's how I work with so many brands. I was getting like brands message me before, but when you get a management, it's so much easier, because they know how to negotiate, they know how to set rates and stuff like that. You don't have to worry about that, and it's so much more helpful doing that, because there's obviously I do a lot of collabs, so it's just easier someone sorting it for you. Do you know what I mean? I'm so glad I actually got to meet them, and this time I can be even more myself. I just feel so lucky to be here, and like as well, I do get a bit of an imposter syndrome. Like, I think to myself, why am I here? I don't deserve it. Like, there's so many people that are more deserving than me. Like, why would they ask me to come? And yeah, she was just saying to me, like, everyone that I say that to are like, that's just crazy you think like that, because I just think, like, you're amazing and you're good at what you do, but it's so hard to think that about yourself though, isn't it? Yeah, I just feel so happy and grateful to be here. Like, it's amazing. Like, I remember watching Coachella vlogs, and even just YouTubers from America. Like, I used to, obviously I feel like everyone used to love American YouTubers, like Alicia Marie, Bethany Mosa. Bethany Mosa used to be like my go-to, like up there. The rest I'd watch like occasionally, but she was the one I used to watch all the time. And like when I'd see all of them go to Coachella, and like obviously like James Charles and stuff like that, you're just like, wow, this is amazing. Like, it's such an achievement to be able to be invited by a brand and they want to take you there. Like, it's so just amazing. And yeah, just being in America, it's just crazy to me, because obviously I used to watch all these American YouTubers, and like, I'm now in their land. I'm in the land. When people say to me, like, I'm scared to do TikTok in case people make fun of me, etc., let this be your sign. who cares? Because if I let people's opinions affect me, I wouldn't be here right now. I wouldn't be at Coachella. I wouldn't be at Palm Springs. I wouldn't do the things I do in my life. Like, I get to do so many amazing things. I just wouldn't be there if I just was worried about everyone else. So please, please, don't worry what anyone else has got to say, because if you've got something, like you've got that drive, you've got that motivation, that passion, there's something you're good at makeup, good at styling, show the world that, because that could really like change your life. You really do not know. Like, I never thought that this would change my life, but it completely has, and it's amazing. I'm able to do so many amazing things. Like, my one goal, so I'm going on a bit of a rant here, but I'm just feeling motivational because I'm in here and it's just crazy. But yeah, one of my main things was to help my dad with like money and stuff. And this isn't me trying to be like, oh, I'm amazing because I helped my dad. Like, no, that's not what I'm trying to say at all. I'm just trying to say, like, that was one of my goals, and if I let people's opinions bother me, I wouldn't have been able to help him. So that's how I think of it. So yeah, as long as you're in it for the right reasons and it's not just for like fame and stuff like that, then I think you should just do it, because people say it to me all the time and I'm like, just do it. I also hope you guys have liked my outfits as well, because obviously I would have posted them the time you watched this, because I'm going to try edit this on the plane. I absolutely hate curling my lashes. My lashes are so like messed up from having eyelash extensions where like they keep falling out and they're so frail, and like I find they don't ever want to curl fully like the first time. Like, some people can just do this once and it work, whereas I've got to do this like 3 or 4 times. It's also so hot in this room. Do you guys mind if I quickly put the extractor fan on? It may be a bit loud, but I just really need it on right now because I'm just going to sweat off this makeup. This is the Shiseido lash curler. It is really good because it's like quite big, and like once I have got my lashes like curled, they are really like curled and they stay the whole time. It does take a minute, but I think it is just my lashes. Like, I've been using some lash serums. I've been using Glow for it. Can everyone let me know what they think of Glow for it and UK Lash? Because I do have UK Lash in my cupboard, but I just want to know which is better. Because I've been using the Glow for it ever since I got my lash extensions taken off about 3 weeks ago, and I haven't seen I've seen a bit of a difference, but not like crazy like everyone has said online. And the mascara I've been loving is the Maybelline Sky High. Can everyone recommend some lash what are they, mascaras? Because I like this. It holds the curl because it's waterproof, and it does definitely lengthen. But I do think she goes a bit clumpy. She is a clumper, which is a bit annoying because I don't want clumpy. And it's brand new. Like, it feels like it's drying out a bit, which is weird because I've not had it that long. But I do have quite long lashes anyway. They're just gappy from where obviously I had lash extensions previously. They'll get there. One day they're going to be so curly and long and just full. Yes, see, I actually love it now. Just mascara. Just give me about, I'd say, another month, and I think we'd be there with them. That is my makeup done for Coachella Day 2. Let me get dressed and then I'll show you the full thing. I think it's turned out really well. Ah, slay. What are we saying, guys? What are we saying to the outfit? Slay the boots. I think it's quite cute. So I've got these sunnies on, this rose top thing, and then a leopard print skirt with some brown boots. She got some boots going on, and obviously all boho moon jewellery. If I show you in the mirror, please don't judge the state of the room. Slay. Hope you enjoyed this get ready with me, and make sure you watch my vlog to see all the Coachella content. Mwah.